demonstrate مظاهره کول. The teacher demonstrated the experiment. استاد د تجربې مظاهره وکړه. The teacher demonstrated the experiment. Different مختلف. We have different opinions. زمونږ نظرونه مختلف دي. We have different opinions. Evidence ثبوت. The police found no evidence. پولیسو ته هیڅ ثبوت میلاو نشو. The police found no evidence. Honesty ایمانداری. Honesty is the best policy. ایمانداری یو ډیر ښه تدبیر دی. Honesty is the best policy. Idiom محاوره. He used an English idiom. هغه د انګریزۍ یو محاوره استعمال کړه. He used an English idiom. Independent خپلواک. She is an independent woman. هغه یو خپلواکه ښځه ده. She is an independent woman. Inside دننه. Come inside the house. کور ته دننه راشه. Come inside the house. Master مالک. The dog obeys its master. سپی د خپل مالک حکم مني. The dog obeys its master. Master ماهر. He is a master of his field. هغه د خپل شوبې ماهر دی. He is a master of his field. Memory حافظه. My memory is very weak. زما حافظه ډیره کمزورې ده. My memory is very weak. Proper مناسب. Wear proper clothes for the meeting. د غونډې دپاره مناسب جامې واغونده. Wear proper clothes for the meeting. Scan جانچ. Scan the document carefully. د سند جانچ په احتیاط سره وکړه. Scan the document carefully. Anxious اندېښمن. اندېښمن یعنی فکرمند. She was anxious about the exam. هغه د امتحان په اړه اندېښمنه وه. یعنی هغه د امتحان په اړه فکرمنده وه. She was anxious about the exam. Awful ډیر خراب. The food tasted awful. د خوراک خوند ډیر خراب و. The food tasted awful. Consist شامل. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. په اوبو کې هایدروجن او اکسیجن شامل دي. Water consists of hydrogen and oxygen. Desire ارمان. He has a strong desire to travel. د هغه د سفر کولو ډیر زیات ارمان دی. He has a strong desire to travel. Eager لیواله یعنی خواهشمن. The children were eager to play. واړه لوبې کولو ته لیواله وو. یعنی واړه لوبې کولو ته خواهشمند وو. The children were eager to play. Household د کورنۍ. She takes care of household work. هغه د کورنۍ د کار خیال ساتي. She takes care of household work. Intent اراده. His intent is to help others. د هغه اراده د نورو خلکو کومک کول دي. His intent is to help others. Landscape منظر. The landscape is very beautiful here. د دې ځای منظر ډیر ښکلی دی. The landscape is very beautiful here. lift اوچتول. he can lift heavy weight. هغه دروند وزن اوچتولی شي. he can lift heavy weight. load بار. the truck carried a heavy load. لاری دروند بار اوچت کړو. the truck carried a heavy load. lung پړپوس. smoking damages the lungs. سیګرټ سکل پړپوس خرابوي. smoking damages the lungs. motion حرکت. the car was in motion. گاڑی په حرکت کې وو. the car was in motion. pace رفتار. he walked at a slow pace. هغه په ورو رفتار تلو. he walked at a slow pace. polite مهذب. he is always polite to others. هغه تل د نورو خلکو سره مهذبی. مهذبی یعنی خوش اخلاقی. he is always polite to others. possess لرل. he possesses great knowledge. هغه ډیر زیات علم لري. he possesses great knowledge. rapidly په تیزی سره. the fire spread rapidly. اور په تیزی سره خور شو. the fire spread rapidly. remark تبصره. his remark was very funny. د هغه تبصره ډیره مزاحیه وه. his remark was very funny. seek په لټه کې. he seeks knowledge every day. هغه هره ورځ د علم په لټه کې. he seeks knowledge every day. shine پړقېدل. the stars shine at night. ستوري د شپې پړقېږي. the stars shine at night. spill تویول. he spilled coffee on the table. هغه په میز کافي توی کړه. he spilled coffee on the table. bring راوړل. please give me a glass of water. مال یو ګیلاس اوبه راوړئ. please give me a glass of water. castle محل. the king lived in a big castle. پاچا په یو غټ محل کې اوسېدو. the king lived in a big castle. command حکم ورکول. the officer commanded the soldiers to march. افسر سرتیرو ته د روانېدو حکم ورکړو. سرتیرو ته یعنی پوجیانو ته. the officer commanded the soldiers to march. counsel مشوره ورکول. he counseled me to be patient. هغه ماله د صبر کولو مشوره راکړه. he counseled me to be patient. ensure ډاډ ورکول. please ensure that the door is locked. د ور د بندولو ډاډ ورکړه. please ensure that the door is locked. explosion چاودنه. the explosion was very loud. چاودنه ډیره لوړه وه. the explosion was very loud. jewelry کالی. she bought gold jewelry. هغې د سرو زرو کالی واغستل. she bought gold jewelry. land ځمکه. he owns a lot of land. هغه د ډېر ځمکې مالک دی. he owns a lot of land. meteor آسمانی کاڼی. a meteor fell from the sky. د اسمان نه آسمانی کاڼی راوتاو شو. a meteor fell from the sky. monster بلا. the child was afraid of the monster. ماشوم د بلا نه ویریدو. the child was afraid of the monster. northern شمالی. he lives in the northern part of the city. هغه د ښار په شمالي حصے کې اوسیږي. He lives in the northern part of the city. Remote, لري. They live in a remote village. هغوی په لري کلي کې اوسیږي. They live in a remote village. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.